I mean, my mind is blowing right now. I mean, the artwork that we're producing here is insane on Procreate. I absolutely love this. We're going to jump in. I'm going to show you some of the pieces I found this week of some amazing artists around the planet, and you can judge for yourself. But this is some serious talent right here. This piece by XL Banjo is absolutely insane. I mean, look at this piece. Look at the depth in this piece. I mean, this is like it's an oil painting right in front of me, but it's been done digitally on Procreate. This is what this app can do, and this inspires me so much. I mean, I can see the brush strokes in there. I can see this beautiful contrast between the face itself and that stark white background. And it's been done digitally, but it doesn't necessarily scream digital. If you told me this piece is painted, I just took a photo of it and put it online, I will believe you 100%. This is insane. I mean, to me, this is where digital art is at right now. Now, hold up. Let's have a look at some color for a second. And boy, if we're talking color, this piece from Mohammed Nafay is absolutely awesome. I mean, the use of really hard lighting options, talking particularly about the shading here, is used really, really well. I mean, look at some of the work we've got. We've got the shadows coming onto the street across the stop sign. We've got a really nice glow from the top of that store as well on the right. And you've got these really basic trees here on the left, which still really, really work in the piece. And we've got depth in there too. We're getting drawn all the way from the back with that nice yellowish sunset coming all the way forward past the birds into the stop sign. You've inspired me. I want to get out there. I want to do this. Wow. Now, if you're like me, you're going to look at this piece and you're going to go, what the absolute hell? Infinity Viva, what you've done here is absolutely amazing. I've never quite thought about doing this myself, but you better believe I'm going to try and jump in and do it. But this is truly unique. I mean, look at this. You've got this beautiful half underwater piece, right? We've got that reflection from the water coming across the top here, which is sort of, blurred out that image as if the camera's sitting under the water. And what you've done with these colors, these reflections, it's really raw, but you've got these beautiful bits of color coming across the shoulder here, across the chest as well. I can see it on the side of the face, and you can tell as well, even though it's not in focus, look at, outside where it's blurry above the water. We're getting these colors that are tying the whole piece in together. We don't have to tell what's going on above the water, but boy, Infinity Viva, what a stunning piece. Excuse me? How does this piece have the right to be this good? I mean, honestly, this is digital, man. Holy moly. You don't have to be a psychologist to resonate with this piece and to take something from it. And again, this is digital. This is done in Procreate. This is stunning. Let's break down the color profile as well. The exterior face has got this almost pearlescent look to it. Got the beautiful shadows and the highlights hitting it, but it is really soft. And we've got the trade-off between the top half, which has a little bit more light in it, and the bottom half, the jawline, which is a little bit darker, but it hasn't used blacks. It's used blues to darken it up, and it's absolutely amazing. But this artist hasn't been afraid to go darker on the inside character or creature or person or whatever it is, and really, again, create that juxtaposition. This is inspiring. This is art, and this is digital art at its best. Hands up out there who absolutely hates drawing hair because it's really, really hard and it never looks the way you want. Definitely me. I always try my best and it never works out the way I want. And that's why this piece here absolutely blew my mind. Jamie San Juan, what an absolute masterpiece you've created. You've gone for this half-shaved, half-hair look, and you've even got half-hat as well, which blew my mind. I couldn't believe it. That's why this piece stood out to me so much. I'm still trying to figure out some of the techniques you used, but whatever you're doing, keep it up, because I think we can all be inspired by this piece. The way you've not only nailed the skin texture, but the skin color as well, which can be notoriously hard. But we've also got this amazing half hat, which has been done so well, and it actually looks like real half of a hat on there. Hula Hideaway, where have you been all my life? I mean, I need this as a print in my house. This is absolutely stunning. I'm a huge fan of any art which incorporates tattoos in it and really promotes them, and this is definitely no different. Oh my God, my mind was blown looking at this. It really grabbed me in straight away because of the tattoos, but when I look closer at these details here, what you've done in this, I'm assuming it's a grass skirt around the edge with that texture, it's beautiful. The pose as well is really subtle, but it's nice. You've got that little bit of a lean on the face. It's beautiful, it's subtle, but then you add those tattoos in. I also love one extra feature what this artist did here. On the left side of this figure, we can see there's a beautiful little white highlight coming down there. It brings that figure forward off the background, and it creates so much more depth to the piece. Again, I'm gonna have to go and search for the print because I need this piece in my house. For any artists out there wondering if they should pick up Procreate and they're worried about maybe losing all their old art supplies and should I incorporate digital into my workflow, yes, you should, and this is why. Ode Will here has created an absolutely phenomenal piece titled Paula Portrait. And boy, I love every single thing about this piece of art. Now let's break this down for a second. On the left, we've got two leaves. They're sitting forward of the character, I'm assuming, which is Paula. Create some really nice depth in the piece, and they've continued the shadows with those as well. Oh, amazing. But what they've done with the lighting in this piece really brings this thing to light, and it's what really stuck out to me. We've got this beautiful diagonal line essentially cutting this Paula into a third, and 1/3 of her is lit super bright, and I can only imagine there's a window over there on the left of this, and then maybe she's lying half in the shadow or 2/3 in the shadow with a third out in the light. This creates so much depth in the piece, but so much interest as well. There's so much to look at. I want to go back. I want to see more. And the color palette as well. What a beautiful choice. That really nice orange top. We've got the nice green leaves, but then it looks like there's some sort of plant up in the top right. They've gone the yellow, so really working with her skin tone and the top. Beautiful work. If you haven't seen this artist's work before, hit up the description below. I've left all the artists in this video down there so you can hit their profiles, see their art, maybe support them, buy some art, or just leave a like, comment, or share. So get out there, see some of these artists, and I'll be back next week with even more for you to freak out about.